How to purchase domain separately without web hosting and verify it on landing page. Purchasing a domain separately from web hosting and verifying it for use with your landing page involves several steps. Here's how to do it. Purchasing a domain separately. 1. Choose a domain registrar. Research domain registrars and choose one that suits your needs. Popular options include GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, and Domain.com. 2. Search for available domains. Use the Domain Registrar's search tool to find an available domain name that suits your needs. Enter your desired domain name and check its availability. If the domain is available, proceed to register it. 3. Add to cart and checkout. Once you find an available domain, add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Enter your contact and payment information to complete the purchase. 4. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete the domain registration process. You may need to verify your contact information and agree to the registrar's terms and conditions. 5. Make payment. Make the payment for the domain registration using your preferred payment method. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll receive a confirmation email with details of your domain registration. Verifying the domain for your landing page. 1. Access Domain Control Panel. Log into your domain registrar's website using the credentials provided during registration. Access your domain control panel or dashboard. 2. Find DNS Management. Locate the DNS Management or Domain Settings section within your domain control panel. This is where you'll make changes to your domain's DNS records. 3. Add DNS records. Depending on the requirements of your landing page provider, you may need to add specific DNS records to verify your domain. Common verification methods include adding text records, name records, or meta tags. 4. Follow provider's instructions. Refer to the instructions provided by your landing page provider for verifying your domain. They will specify the type and value of DNS records you need to add. 5. Save changes. Once you've added the necessary DNS records, save your changes within the DNS management section of your domain control panel. This will update the DNS records for your domain. 6. Propagation time. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. It may take up to 24 to 48 hours for the changes to take effect globally. 7. Verify integration. After the DNS changes have propagated, visit your landing page and ensure that the domain is correctly linked and accessible. Test different pages and features to verify that everything is working as expected. By following these steps, you can purchase a domain separately from web hosting and verify it for use with your landing page. Make sure to carefully follow the instructions provided by your domain registrar and landing page provider to ensure a successful integration.